Okay, guys, so let's get to the final part of the series. So here we just do minor UI changes so that we get a better looking UI experience as a homepage. But I'm not gonna go do all the changes to all the pages. So I mean, it's up to your imagination on what extent you can go and give a better UI experience. Okay, so now having said that, let's run the server. Okay. So server is running. Let's open the UI homepage. Okay, so this is our home page. So let's add two links. So first thing is let's go to uh, one second. Okay, go to URLs. Okay, and go to our home page. Yeah, first thing is we don't require all of these tabs. We just gonna play with the UI page here. So now, so let's add two links over here. One is so yeah, so that's it. So this is gonna add two links to the home page. So whenever the user clicks on add, it will go to the add page, clicks on all, or goes to the all page. So let's try this. So here, if you do all, okay. So now let's beautify this UI. So I'm gonna use the Bootstrap plugins for this. So for that, let me actually copy this link and paste it in the header. And now let's do the same thing for the below header here. Okay. So for some reason this is not right. Okay. So let's copy this again. Let's see if, okay, this is fine. So let's refresh this. Okay, it looks better. So I'm gonna bring this at the bottom below this. Okay. So save it and refresh this again. Yeah. So now let me actually add more details. Make this as a nav bar. So let's actually add nav bar over here instead of add all. V control S. So let me refresh this. Okay, yeah, still works. So now this is that. So I'm gonna bring this home at the center and I'm gonna add some image. So for that, let me actually add come here home. Okay, it's also I'll just say my school save and let's refresh this. Okay, so now let me add an image. So I'm gonna create a casserole. Sorry. So I mean, yeah, I misspelled it. So my English is bad. Okay. Yeah, for some reason the header is one second. Yeah, the header is overlapped with the image. I think so. And you get the point. So you can actually add more things and you can make it better and all that. So this is how you add make it better. So yeah, that would be it. This would be the final part. Thank you so much. Meet you next time. Bye.